Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how you can remove emoji from a photo only with the CapCut application. So first thing you have to do is just go open your CapCut application, and now you just need to wait until the application is perfectly open. It could be depending to your internet connection, so make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Now type into this new project, and then you just need to add the photos, and then you just need to pick the photos that contain emoji on it, and then just go click add. And the next thing you need to do is just go tap into the clip, and then we need to find a duplicate clip here. So we just need to find the duplicate, then you just need to tap into this duplicate and make the duplicate clip here become an overlay by tap into this overlay. And the next thing you need to do is just drag this overlay clip in until they have the same positions. And now we just need to tap into this overlay clip, and then you just need to find mask. And right after you found mask, you just need to tap on the mask tool and just go click these circles. And the next thing you need to do is just place it into the closest area with the emoji that have similar color as well as the similar looks. And then you just need to tap into this checklist button, and then you just need to drag the screen here until the area is covering up the emoji, and make sure that you're also adjusting the size too. Make it perfect, and now we just need to go do this, and then you just need to like screenshot. Done. Click into the screenshot result, and you just need to crop into this specific area so that you will cut this looks and save 2 photos. And now you're done. So that's for today's tutorial. Hopefully you enjoy this, and let's meet again into other tutorial.